It's the plant. It's the plant spotlight. It's the plant. It's the plant spotlight. It's the plant. It's the plant spotlight. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today is another plant spotlight, which means I have 3 amazing plants and 1 mystery plant that I actually kind of need your guys' help with. So make sure you are subscribed, like, and turn on notifications, and let's get into some amazing plants. The Mycorrhizum pteropus, or the Java fern, comes in several varieties ranging from bushy leaves to needle-like leaves, but typically they have wavy, medium, dark green leaves. Native to Southeast Asia and places like Thailand, Malaysia, and China, these plants can be found by tree trunks and near rivers, and can be grown in either their immersed or submerged forms. The Echinodorus talenus, or the dwarf chainsword, is a fast-growing carpeting plant which is excellent for beginners. It is native to the Americas in states like Texas, Michigan, Florida, Missouri, as well as parts of Central and South America. This plant can also grow fully or partially submerged in marshes, ponds, and streams. Next, we have the Hydrophilia deformis, also known as the water wisteria, which is native to the Southeast Asian waters of a place called Myanmar, and is prone to a melting or losing of leaves when it's moved around. I wanted to take a moment to explain that there are 2 forms that a plant can take. Usually when they're grown or cultivated, they're in the immersed form, which is when their roots are grown in water, but the rest of the plant is grown out of water to give them a thicker stem so that they grow better once they are submerged. And submerged is when they're grown completely underwater. So when that happens, you'll get 2 different types of leaves with a lot of plants. They'll have a immersed form of leaves, and they'll have a submerged form of leaves. And wisteria is a great example of these 2 forms because it is a great visual on how different they can be. The immersed version of wisteria has strawberry-like leaves, and the submerged version of wisteria almost looks kind of like a wispy, feathery type of leaf. So it's quite interesting to see them in their 2 different forms. Now we finally move on to our mystery plant, which looks like a feathery type plant with purple ends to it. And while we know a lot as fish keepers, I don't know everything about this plant and need a little help. We do speculate that it could be a foxtail, which looks like this, or maybe perhaps a cobamba. All right, you have your homework, so make sure that you comment down below and let me know which plant you think our mystery plant is. I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video and learned some new facts about our awesome new plants coming in, and we will see you in the next one. Plants are blah, 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 blah.